In my whole life, I've probably been to hundreds of thrift stores, but I do tend to revisit the same ones where I've had good luck at. I never go thrifting if I have less than an hour to do it. I like to touch every single thing in the store. There's no aisle that I don't go down. But I tend to have the best luck in some of the weirder places where you might not normally think to look for thrifting. I've just always loved treasure hunting, basically. I started Barbie Roadkill as it was just a dream for a long time. I would go thrifting for myself and I would find pieces that maybe wouldn't fit me but were too great to just pass up. And then finally one day I noticed that I had enough to start my own Etsy page. When I discovered RIT, it really opened up a whole new world to what kind of colors I could create. It was really easy to find. I just went to my local Michael's and got a whole bunch of colors and then just started experimenting with dyeing in the sink. And I just loved the result and the way that I was able to transform, a boring white garment into something that I thought was really fun and colorful. Being able to hand dye garments to fit any sort of a different color story was really helpful for growing my brand. I would find that, I've got so many pink items or so many purple, but what I really need is green, I need yellow. And so I started experimenting with hand dyeing garments just to fill out the rainbow. Pale baby pink, I think, is one of my favorite colors. Anything neon, anything hologram, anything fuzzy. Now I'm not even talking about colors. Yeah, I love every color.